Ooh, it's a cold one today. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we are going to upgrade my 2023 CVO one more time. Before I show you what upgrades I'm going to do to this beautiful 2023 CVO Road Glide, let me cover some of the upgrades I've already done to this Road Glide before I forget, simply because a lot of you guys have reached out to me and asked me what upgrades I've already done. So let me just cover them really briefly here. The first thing is I'm going to cover this whole seat set with the backrest from Bad Boy Cycles, 10% off, 2147 crew is the code, but I love it. I have a lot of videos on it and I have more coming. This awesome King Tour Pack here, color match perfectly from the one and only Advent Black. I love their King Tour Pack here, and it's just awesome, right? I also got the inner bag liners from Advent Black in my saddlebags here and in my king size Tour Pack here. Oh, I'm forgetting. I also got these crash bars here from Bad Boy Cycles. Oh, and the windshield here is also from Bad Boy Cycles. This product is brand new. It was just released to the market. I'm actually in between videos here, but I'm waiting to do a ride review to incorporate with that video to give you guys a full comprehensive review on it. This windshield here, and so that video is coming. It's just been raining a lot, and now it's like cold and rainy, so I figured let me just stay safe here, and I'll show you that video later on. I also have on this side here, oh, before I forget, the Baja Squadron lights. I have them connected as the fog light option feature here for the Road Glide, and I absolutely love them. They are pretty bright, and it's the best of both worlds in my opinion, simply because I like how the stock front headlight looks, and it's awesome. In terms of the engine components, I have essentially a stage 1 kit for this 121 VVT engine. So I have a Harley Davidson air cleaner, and I have a 201 Bassani Superbike pipe exhaust here, and I absolutely love it. It's great. And I think that pretty much covers the upgrades I've done to this motorcycle, and that brings us to today. So our next upgrade is going to bring us down here to the front wheel. No, I am not getting some carbon fiber wheels for this bad boy, at least not yet. I actually love the look of the front wheel and the rear wheel for these newer model CVOs. What we're going to do today is I'm going to replace the stock front bolt here with some awesome APR bolts from the one and only Bamco. The bolts we're going to replace are these here for the front fender, these two here for the front fork deflector, and these back here that hold the brake caliper in place. They're being replaced by Bamco ARP bolts. And I'm going to put this bag down here because I already have one of their bolts in my hand. Now this here is an ARP bolt that Bamco sells with their black chrome coating. Now the reason I'm replacing these is because here in Houston there's a lot of humidity, and throughout my engine already over here you'll see that there's a lot of corrosion buildup on the stock bolts, and I just really don't like that look. Also, as the corrosion builds up, a certain level of rust starts to develop in these bolts, and who wants to have rusty bolts in a brand new CVO? There's a lot of solutions to that. One, you can go get like the black coated stainless steel bolts, put them on here. You can get them at any Ace hardware store, anything like that, or people sell caps, or you can even paint these or get these powder coated. But I opted to go with Bamco ARP bolts because eventually I'm going to replace every single bolt on this 23 CVO Road Glide with this coating from Bamco. Now what does this solve? Well, it could be as humid as it wants to be here in Houston, and these bolts will not rust, and it'll keep my 2023 Road Glide CVO looking as pristine as possible. Another upgrade we're doing is we're going to cover these here with Harley Davidson's front axle nut cover. And I've already installed the other one on the other side, but all you do, it comes with this like little clip here, you put it on here, and then essentially you just snap it in place. It'll give you some resistance going in, which is great, so that way the fitment can be good. But all you do is you get yourself a microfiber towel, a little rubber mallet here, and you just voila, and it's in place. All right, we're gonna start from the back here to the front, I suppose, of the tire. The first thing you need is a 5/16 Allen head, and you take it off. Just like that. Like with everything with your Harley Davidson, you put Loctite on everything, right? And you just get your bolt here, right here. You put it in here one at a time so that way it doesn't come off. You put it back on, and just like this. What I found online is that the torque spec for this is like between 28 foot-pounds and 38. So I just left it at 35, I want to say. And boom, there you go, done. And just like that, look at the difference between that first ARP bolt and the stock bolt. I think it just looks cleaner and more sleek in my opinion. Again, this is purely cosmetic and you don't need this. And there we go, it's nice and torqued. Let's check the top one just to make sure we're good. And we are. And again, the bottom, and we are. So look at the difference. I don't know about you guys at home, but I see the difference right away. And this is like without good lighting. It just looks sleeker, darker, right? Now, take a good look at this because I'm about to replace this bolt here, this bolt, and these two with some awesome ARP bolts. To recap, we replaced the two fender bolts there, the front deflector 2 bolts here, and also the brake caliper bolts right back here. And I think it looks amazing, y'all, amazing. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment of what you think of my latest upgrade here, because my plan is to replace every single bolt in this CVO Road Glide with those bolts as well, like everything, fairing, hand controls, everything. I want to touch base on a couple of things before I end this video. One, Daytona's around the corner. I will be in Daytona this year. I'll be taking this bad boy here, and I'll also be having a meet and greet on Saturday, March 1st from 12 to 2 at the Avon Black tent, and they're going to be at the Destination Daytona Harley Davidson dealership. So I'll be there from that time. You want to stop by, check out the bike, or say hi, please come on by. And lastly, if I haven't mentioned it already throughout this video, as you can see, I'm sporting the Do Work Productions hoodie. It's pretty cold outside, so I decided to put it on. Let me tell you, it's warm. So if you haven't done so yet, go support my boy over at Do Work Productions on the YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and or pick up some of their merch. It's good quality. I actually have their shirt as well. If you like today's video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and before I close out this video, I have another upgrade coming on probably the next video, and that is some risers. Well, which risers did I go with? You'll probably be surprised. So subscribe and stay tuned for the next upgrade on this awesome 2023 CVO Road.